Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, and this is where you get soothing affirmations to help you make the changes that you want to in your life and follow through. Hello to new listeners. Hello again to returning listeners. Thank you for joining me today. Today's episode 543, and it's an episode that's been requested by those of you who love the Change Playlist episode. That was an episode to help affirm you and support you through a time of change. And requests have come in for an episode to go with it that is more suited for a foundational change. And if that's you, then it very likely means you've gone through some sort of crisis, a situation where you've had to face who you are, how you live, and change direction because how you were living wasn't working for you then, and it's still not working for you now. So let's settle in and create a safe, comfortable, and open space for yourself to do the mental rebuilding that you need to establish a solid foundation, a new foundation for yourself. So grateful I can bring this to you. It's affirmations for rebuilding your foundation. I've had times where everything has fallen apart. I've had times I've been shaken. And I've had times I have been broken and lost. I've been through hard times. I have had hard moments. I have felt the lowest of lows. Today, right here and right now, it is about feeling better and doing better. It's also about rebuilding my entire foundation. Who I am and how I live. I am envisioning a happy and healthy life for myself. I'm looking at a grounded and growing routine for myself. I am inviting a supportive and caring environment for me. I lean into my strengths. I push with my passions. I rest with my core values. I am rebuilding my foundation. I am choosing a fulfilling life. I am embracing joy and appreciation. I know focus. I know discipline. I know commitment. They are with me in this chapter of my life. I am proactive. I am making progress. I am open to new possibilities. I foster an open mind and an open heart. I nurture positive thoughts. I adapt to change with ease. I care for myself as I rebuild my foundation. I stay connected to who I am inside. I am clear on the life I'm building now. I'm getting more and more comfortable with my new habits and my new routines. I am rebuilding my foundation. Yes, I am rebuilding my foundation. Again, as I mentioned at the beginning of this episode for rebuilding your foundation was a request from those of you who really connected with the Change playlist episode. That was episode 537 if you haven't listened yet or you want to return to it. Again, it is the Change playlist and it's episode 537. If you would prefer to listen to the episodes of Affirmation Pod with no ads and no announcements, I offer that through Premium Access. Premium Access means you get all the bonus episodes and all the premium episodes, which are ad and announcement free. I should really count. I know we're well over 100 bonus episodes now. And ever since I started offering premium years ago, I have not raised the price because I want to make it affordable for you. Find out more or join today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.